Welcome to our guide on how to effectively use VisPlan for your rolling operational planning needs. The VisPlan Alignment Loop ensures true alignment by clearly connecting strategic objectives with daily work. 1. Formulate your desired outcome by defining the goal and high-level objectives for the next cycle or season. 2. Align and implement your plan by organizing resources, creating ambitions and actions, and sequencing them within VisPlan. 3. Execute, adapt, and iterate by tracking progress, setting outcome indicators, and utilizing Gantt views for consolidated management. Our fictitious company e-bike aims to launch their next electric bicycle model in 2025. Let's now explore how the VisPlan Alignment Loop principles guide this plan. In Microsoft Teams, e-bike have added the VisPlan app and created a plan with the overarching goal, successful market launch of 2025 e-bike model. Existing team members already have access to the plan, and you can invite more to enhance collaboration and teamwork. In the overall goal, we can specify objectives and key results to define the successful fulfillment of the goal. They have chosen 3 main objectives: production cost within budget, meeting company sustainability targets, launching to market on time. In this step that corresponds to the second step in the VisPlan Alignment Loop process, we'll structure the plan to achieve our goals, identifying necessary resources and the sequence of actions. This contributes to a comprehensive visual overview. For e-bike, the horizontal lines represent functions and resources involved in executing the plan. Go into VisPlan's edit mode to alter the plan layout. New lines can easily be added by drag and drop from the left-hand stencil onto the canvas. Give each line a name corresponding to its function. We continue by adding ambition objects as placeholders to act as groups for actions on each line. The ambitions are also dragged and dropped onto the plan and named to describe what large initiatives they represent. Now e-bike has created their high-level information model for their plan, but have not yet defined any detailed actions. Focuses are a transformative feature of VisPlan that help you craft your plan's timeline. They are not just dates, but dynamic milestones that guide your team through key phases. By matching your efforts with these focuses, you give your plan a clear structure and a meaningful purpose for each stage. To make your plan operational with VisPlan, you need to add actions to each ambition. Go to the sidebar of each ambition and click New Action to fill out a form. Align these actions with the focuses you've strategically defined, utilizing the drop-down list from the previously established focuses. Don't forget to assign responsible team members to ensure a reliable execution. This process lays the foundation for an agile and effective plan, ready for a successful implementation. Experience enhanced collaboration and workflow efficiency through VisPlan's integration with Microsoft Planner. Actions in VisPlan align seamlessly with tasks in Planner, allowing for effortless addition and synchronization between the two platforms. Explore the expanded functionality in Planner, where tasks can be enriched with checklists, further enhancing your ability to monitor and manage progress efficiently. Once your plan is finalized and approved, it's time to prepare for execution with VisPlan's flexible settings. This critical step aligns with the third phase of the VisPlan Alignment Loop. Customize your plan settings to effectively communicate with a broader audience before execution. Toggle checkboxes for progress and outcome/OKR indicators to enhance visibility and transparency. Transform your plan view into a dynamic dashboard, providing a comprehensive overview of the overall progress and outcome of your plan execution. Ensuring smooth progress reporting is crucial for successful plan execution. With VisPlan's integration with Microsoft Planner, you can conveniently report progress using checklists from any device. Of course, reporting progress on actions directly in VisPlan is equally efficient in the Teams app on any device. As you navigate through your plan execution journey, VisPlan offers a powerful Gantt view to consolidate and review your progress. This feature provides a visual timeline of your plan's milestones, allowing you to assess achievements, identify potential bottlenecks, and make informed decisions for smoother execution. Unlock the full potential of your plan execution by harnessing the objectives and key results (OKR) methodology embedded in VisPlan. Dive into a detailed analysis, pivoting on your defined objectives and active actions contributing to their identified key results. This critical step allows you to align your efforts with strategic objectives, measure success against predefined metrics, and adapt your plan for optimal outcomes. VisPlan emerges as your ultimate operational planning companion. From crafting ambitions and actions to seamless collaboration with Microsoft Planner and follow-up on OKRs, VisPlan transforms planning into a dynamic and empowering experience. VisPlan is your strategic ally in achieving your goals and driving results.